How to open a business bank account in US. Opening a business account is very simple. Firstly, go to the bank official website where you would like to open the business account. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna take an example of the US bank. So I'm just gonna go to my web browser and type in business account for US bank. In the website, if you scroll down, then you will get all the information about the account. Now the interfaces can differ from different banks. There will be different account options from which you can choose. There's also a compare account section where you can compare different accounts. Once you have made your mind on which account type you would like to open, click on the apply now button. If you'd like to visit physically, then you can also make an appointment. That way the people in bank will help you opening the account. If you want to open online, click on apply now. Now all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts. If you already have an account, then type in your username and password. If you have forgotten your password or username, click on forgot password or username. You can even continue as a guest. And if you haven't registered or made an account, click on create a username and password. Before starting this process, make sure that you have all the required documents. So that's all for today. Thank you.